So you see this hair and you think, wow, look at all that volume, it's got great texture. Well, watch this. I can run my hands through this, and guess what? It's still got the volume and texture. There's really no hold, but there's volume. So that's what we're talking about today, the difference between hold and volume, all right? Now, I've gotten, a few people, like 1, 2 people, have messaged me about, products of mine, like, for example, Tidal Wave, okay? And I want to really, really make this clear to all of you watching so that you don't get confused on the difference between getting volume in your hair and something that's holding your hair. So Tidal Wave, my #1 selling product, the sea salt spray, it's literally the most incredible sea salt spray. It's been reformulated. I myself have tested this and been a part of the reformulation myself directly, hands-on, testing it. No, it's not right. Let's redo it. To the point where I said, this is absolutely perfect. I've been a stylist for over 25 years. If I don't like something, if I don't think it's performing properly, I'm not going to release something, okay? Because I wanted to do what I would love to see as a stylist on someone else's hair, working on it as a professional. So, with Tidal Wave, if you were using the original formula and you spray 5 to 10 spritzes of this stuff on your hair, it's going to be a lot, okay? You may have a hard time because this is so much more, I would say, potent, I guess. It gives twice as much texture to the hair and volume as the previous one. So if you overspray this, it's going to be like way too much. All you need is, 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 spritzes, 4 spritzes, okay? It all depends. But you don't need a whole lot. So when you apply Tidal Wave to the hair, when their hair is wet or even dry like this, it's designed to give you volume and texture, meaning when you are blow drying your hair, okay, like you see in all my videos, especially the TikTok or hairstyle video, right? When you are blow drying it, yes, you're going to feel a little bit of resistance because the product is working. You need that, okay? You need to feel that in the hair or else nothing's going to happen. So after you get all this, you're going to see, like so, wow, look at all this volume, okay? Look at all the volume that this hair has. But guess what? It's not going to, it's not designed to hold your hair like this all day. It can give some sort of hold, right? If you have the right haircut, yeah, it may stay like this if you're lucky, and this may work for you. But if you want to hold the style in place, this is the difference. You need hairspray. That's why I have in my TikToker kit, I've got the 2-inch round brush, which is needed when you're styling. I've got the Tidal Wave that you spray on your hair when the hair is wet. You blow dry with the brush. Then what you do to finish it off and hold the hair in place, you spray locked. That's why I called it locked hairspray. You're locking the style in. Now, what you're doing with that is you are locking in hold onto the volume so it doesn't drop. So there's a big difference between volume and hold, okay? If I were to literally just spray hairspray on someone's hair, there would be no volume whatsoever. I have to build that volume first with a product like Tidal Wave, then go in and use the proper tool, right, like a round brush, okay? Then you're gonna see like this. This has all sorts of, nice volume in through here. If from blow drying, you get that nice bounce right into here. You're gonna get that from blow drying it with Tidal Wave. And then if you want that to hold, you spray the hairspray, and that's what holds it. So I just want everyone to understand that there's a big difference between just getting volume and then holding it. I can make someone's hair poof out like ridiculous, like the most incredible, crazy volume in someone's hair. Oh, literally just with Tidal Wave like this, okay? Tons and tons of volume I can get in someone's hair. Tons of volume. It may not be super strong hold. If you're looking for like a bulletproof hold or something like that, it's not going to happen just with Tidal Wave. But what's going to happen is I'll be able to keep this volume like this, but it's very pliable, right? It's got texture, it's got volume. It's not super strong, right? It may hold its shape, okay? Like if you have the right haircut or you do the, you know, different techniques and mess around with it, yeah, it may hold its style, but I can, you know what I mean? Like if I wanted this to be locked in place and be bulletproof, then I would use a super strong hairspray so it's gonna hold it. So I think I made my point. But I just want you to understand there's a big difference between volume and hold. So let me know if this video helped you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.